Hello everyone. We see number of objects in our surroundings through which light can pass or not. We all know that light always travels in a straight path. Today we perform experimental differentiation between transparent, translucent and opaque material. Before performing the experiment, first of all we gonna be friendly with the following term. The first term is transparent material, the object through which light can easily pass, known as transparent material, like glass slab. We can see completely through the transparent material. Second term is translucent material, the material through which light can pass partially, known as translucent. These materials allows the light to pass through them in a scattered or diffused manner. Third term is opaque material, the material through which light cannot pass, known as opaque. We see number of opaque objects like wood, apple, cardboard, which do not allow the light to pass through them. Now we perform this experimentally how the light passes through transparent, translucent and opaque materials. For this experiment, we need flashlight, wooden stand and glass slab. Took a glass slab and put it on the wooden stand. Now hold the flashlight just behind the glass slab. Here you can see light can easily pass through the glass slab. It means it is a transparent material. Took a translucent object and hold a flashlight again behind the translucent object. We can see that light passes through it partially. It means it is translucent object. Now took a opaque object and hold a flashlight once again behind the opaque object. We can see that light cannot pass through it. It means it is opaque material. Conclusion of the experiment is that light easily passes through transparent material but partially through the translucent material and cannot passes through opaque materials. Thank you for watching.